Are you taking a class that requires you to log your impact or track your volunteer hours for course credit? If so, navigate to BlazerPulse, log in and go to your profile, and then select Dashboard. Scroll down, and on the left side, identify the course which you need to share an impact with, and simply click Add Impact on the right-hand side. When you add impact, it'll automatically show the course you're sharing that impact with. You can add the time and date you volunteered, as well as how many hours you volunteered. If your impact only benefited UAB, you should select this. And as you scroll down, we encourage you to share a reflection. Because your instructor will be verifying your impact, it's important to leave a reflection so that they understand the scope of the work you did while at your community agency. Additionally, if you're also a part of a student organization and would like to share the same volunteer impact with that student organization, you can simply type the name of that organization, so for example, Ambassadors, and that will share the impact not only with your course instructor, but also with your student org. And then you simply click Add Impact. Each impact has to be verified. So again, if you share through your course instructor will be verifying. If you want to add an impact that is verified by the community agency, simply go to your profile and go to Add Impact from your profile. And here, you would either type in where you did your service, or if you can't find it, indicate the place and then put yes for the course and type in the course that you want to share it with. This would then allow the person that you indicate to verify your service while also still sharing it with your course, and you'll still have the option at the bottom to share with other student organizations. I hope that this was helpful. We thank you for using BlazerPulse, and if you have any questions about BlazerPulse, please contact getinvolved@uab.edu.